Hey, Miss Dolly, what you doing? Hey, my little hens. We need to name y'all. Hey, girls. Hey, Miss Bella. Hello, Elvira. What y'all doing, girls? These are my little girls. And then there's my other little, well, let's see her. Got another little black hen. She is one of my free-range ones as well. Now, right here's our grays. Oh, it's so wet. All this rain. We need to get some fresh straw. Hey, there's my other black hen. See? Got a lot of eggs in there. Nanya, when you gonna start setting for us? Look at all them eggs. There's Mean Boy. He thinks he's just head honcho, don't you? Well, Daddy made you look good. Hey, Miss Dolly. Come on. He's saying, feed me, feed me. I think I'm starving. Look at how pretty you are. So here's my crew. All my chicken and pigs and turkey.